this. Oh my God, guys. This one's better than the last pop. Holy fuck. Okay. Jesus. It's so pretty, dude. So fucking pretty. Oh my God. We're letting them get tight, Bo. Let them get tight. They're doing it. Oh my. Oh my. I got the old camera on 0.5, zoomed all the way out, you know. Now, do you like deer hunting still? Yeah? Well, this is pretty sweet, though. Look at them just standing right here, guys. Hey, everybody get ready, get ready. Out the back, get ready. Y'all get ready, boys. All right, out the back. We're actually we're gonna give them one more, give them one more. Beautiful, man, beautiful. So goddamn pretty. Here we go. Here we go. Spin left. Or spin right. I don't care which way you spin, just spin. Are they gonna look like this, guys, right here? They're gonna look like this. Right, spin now. Now, turn. Get ready, guys. Get ready right now. Get ready, boys. Kill him! Y'all load up and get back down. Load up, get back down. Well, how many we got out of that, y'all know? I see 3 go down for free. Sure, we got more than that. They're gonna only take fucking 4 shots in this one. Damn.